Bangkok is one of the regional tourist hub. A lot of the potential customers and consultants actually will be coming to these shows, and we feel that it's a very good platform for us to introduce the company to all our regional consultants and clients for the various system integrations projects that they are going to embark in the very, very near future. So we feel that this is a good platform for us to expose the company to all these consultants and clients. This particular show offers us the opportunity to meet new customers and to able to share with them what we have done for the past 2 years, 3 years in the Southeast Asia region. And that's what this show is all about.